I am going to explain the chemical equation. What is chemical equation? The symbolical method to express a chemical reaction is called chemical equation. In this method, the chemical changes are taken in terms of symbols and formulae of the chemical substances. Those substances in which some changes takes place are called reactants, and the substances which are obtained after changes are called product. Product are written on right hand side, while the reactants are written on left hand side of an arrow. I can illustrate the chemical equation by a few examples. When carbon burns with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and heat. C plus O2 reaction CO2. C and O2 both are carbon and oxygen, both are reactants, while CO2 which is obtained after the changing of composition, carbon dioxide which is obtained, that is called product. Both are separated by an arrow. The direction of arrow indicates the flow of reaction. Similarly, when hydrogen, 2 mole of hydrogen, 2H2, react with 1 mole of oxygen, O2, it will produce 2H2O. It produces 2H2O, water. Hydrogen react with oxygen and produce water, H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen are reactants and water is product. Similarly, when natural gas containing 98% methane, CH4, is burned with oxygen, that oxygen may be free oxygen or oxygen of air, it will produce carbon dioxide and water vapor along with heat. The reaction is an example of combustion reaction, and this is an example of chemical equation. Methane and oxygen both are reactant, while water and carbon dioxide are products. The reactants and products are separated by an arrowhead, as you know. That arrow differentiate the reactants and products. Reactants are taken on left hand side of the arrow and products are in right hand side of the arrow. Arrowhead indicates the direction of the reaction. Sometimes double-headed arrows are applied which indicates reversible reaction. These are incomplete reaction and are said to be overlapping reaction. In those reactions, reactants are changing into products and products are going to change into reactants at the same time. Now, I am going to tell you about the rules to balance chemical equation. Write correct formula of all reactants and products. Reactants are written on left hand side and product on right hand side of an equation, of an arrow. Balance the number of atoms in both sides so that the number of atoms of the elements in right hand side should be equal to the number of atoms of same elements on the left hand side. The diatomic covalent molecules like hydrogen, oxygen and chlorine, etc. must write them as such in chemical equation rather than the isolated atom like sulfur, carbon, zinc, sodium, potassium, etc. The number and kinds of atoms of the elements should be same on both sides. I have told you about two topics, chemical equation and rules to balance chemical equation. Thank you.